Oh hey, how's it going? I'm about to play some Fortnite with my good pal Eddie, but before I do that, I thought I would show you something kind of neat that I just learned, and that is the fact that you can do cross-platform play when playing Fortnite. So that means one person can be on a console, such as PS4 or Xbox One, while another person is playing on a PC or a Mac. And today what I'm going to focus on is how to connect an account that's on a PlayStation 4 to an account that's on a PC. Let's go! Alright, so I am on my PC right now, and I went to my web browser and went to www.epicgames.com/Fortnite. And this is the website it will take you to. So what you'll want to do is either click on download or play free now. And this is the key thing that you need to do if you want to do cross-platform play, and that is create an Epic Games account. So if you don't already have an Epic Games account, then you'll go over here, fill out all the information, and sign up. If you do already have an account, which I do, click the sign in button, and then obviously sign in. And here is where you would choose whether you want to download the Windows or Mac version. I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows. And what this will do is install the Epic Games game launcher, which is required to play Fortnite on a PC. So once you have the Epic Games game launcher and Fortnite downloaded and installed, we'll go ahead and click on the launch button. Then we will click to start. And we're going to go ahead and do Battle Royale. So in order to do cross-platform play, you need to make sure that you become friends with somebody that already has an Epic Games account. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. You want to click here, and then you want to click here so you can add an Epic friend. Now, if your friend is on a PlayStation 4, for example, they need to make sure they create a separate Epic Games account and link it to their PlayStation account. And right now I'm going to type in their username. So I just sent this request to my Epic Games account that's linked to my PlayStation, and on the PlayStation I will get alerted that I got a friend request. So I'm going to hit the options button on the PlayStation controller. That'll bring up these options so I can go in, look at the friend request, and then accept it. Now I see that my friend is online, and I see on the PC that my friend request was accepted. Oh yeah! So now we see that my friend is online, so I'm going to go ahead and invite to party. And I'm going to send an invite for a little Battle Royale action. We now see on the PlayStation 4 that the party invite was received. And there we go. We are now both in the same lobby together. One account from PlayStation 4, the other from the PC. Pretty cool. And you can do this for any platform that you have that has Fortnite installed on it. So whether it's Xbox One, PlayStation 4, PC, Mac, and I think even iOS, because you can get the game on iOS. So yeah, as long as you have an Epic Games account, you can do the cross-platform play, link up with your friends, and play a game. Alright, so now that we covered how to do cross-platform play, I'm going to connect with Eddie and teach him how to play so he can see what this Fortnite craze is all about. Oh yeah! Alright, so Eddie and myself are in the lobby for Fortnite right now. We are going to do the Duos game mode. And Eddie, have you played this game before?
So I fired it up recently just to try it out, but I honestly had no idea what I was doing, so I'm hoping to learn a lot today from you.
Gotcha. Alright, so this will be basically Eddie's first time playing. So what you want to do is hit the triangle button to say that you're ready. Boop. And we are both playing on the PlayStation 4 right now. I previously showed you how to join up with somebody with one person using PS4, one person using PC, but right now we are both using the PlayStation 4 to play together. And I'm still fairly new to this game. I learned how to play it about a month ago. I had no idea what I was doing, and I didn't like it very much just because I was clueless, had no idea what I was doing, and I did really bad. So right here, now what we were doing, this is just kind of like pre-game mode, so you can just play around, do whatever you want, get used to the controls. You want to do the R2 button is the action button to swing the pickaxe that you have. If you have a gun in your possession, the R2 button will shoot. That's pretty standard for most games of this type.
Oh, who's dancing? You're dancing. Somebody's dancing.
Yes, dancing is a very crucial part of this game. You do need to learn how to dance. If you don't know how to dance in this game, you're going to be in bad shape. So you want to hit the down button, and you should start dancing.
Oh yeah. That was pretty good moves.
So if you see where it shows the circle button, and there's some tools and some things next to it. That is another crucial part of the game, almost as crucial as dancing. That is how to build stuff, and I'll get more into that once we start the game here. So as you see, we are now in the flying bus.
Mm-hmm. We're in a bus.
It's a pretty common thing, a hot air balloon bus. So right now we determine when we want to jump. And I'm going to say let's stay in the bus a little bit longer. There's a certain hill that I like to check out. It's near Pleasant Park. If you hit the PlayStation 4 touchpad, it'll show the big map. We are going towards Pleasant Park right now, and let's go ahead and jump by pressing the X button.
Oh, looks like everybody else is going there too.
Try to follow where I am. What I'm going to, there's a hill with some trees on it that I'm going towards. Hopefully you can see where I'm at. If you hit the X button, it will make you open your paraglider. If you hit the X button again, you will start skydiving, and you hit your joystick, the left joystick, to kind of aim where you're going. So right now I am trying to get to these trees at the top of the hill. And
I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Usually there's a treasure chest up here. Is that you? Oh yeah, that's you.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you don't make it to the top, there's nothing up here, so there's no big deal. While I'm up here, though, I'm going to chop down these trees. What you want to do is pretty much destroy anything you see. And if you destroy any trees, that gives you wood.
Yeah, it does.
And and if you destroy anything made of brick, you will get brick materials. And if you destroy anything made of metal, such as a vehicle, you will get metal materials. And those come in handy because you can then build structures, which can help block bullets. You can build like a little shack to protect yourself. So right now we got to find a place to jump down so we don't die, because you will die if you jump from long distances. Okay, so right here is a good spot.
So it's kind of like real life.
Yeah, just like real life.
Oh, where'd you go?
Right here. If you jump down right there, like, see how there's the part of the cliff that you can kind of slide down? Try doing that if you can. There you go. Attaboy.
There's another mushroom. Found a mushroom.
I'm going to check out this little shack right here. And there is a gun right there.
Okay.
And yeah, let's tear this place down.
Oh, you can take the floor too?
Oh yeah, you can destroy pretty much anything. Pretty much anything.
Everything.
Alright.
I'm following you. But the mushroom I can't destroy.
Oh, you can't? That's a bummer. Alright, so I'm going to try to form...
Whoop, and I'm falling.
Uh-oh.
And I'm falling.
Did you die?
I fell. I didn't die, though.
Okay, good. I'm going to make a little flooring as I fall. Oh no, I died. Well, I'm not dead, but I need you to revive me. Yeah, I did a pretty horrible job. I was trying to make a floor appear for me to fall onto so I don't die. Oh man, I don't even know if you can get back up to where I am right now. You can revive me right now. If we get close to each other.
You're falling. You're falling.
Okay, so do you see the revive button?
Yep.
Nice.
Okay, nobody kill us.
Yeah, hopefully everybody will be polite and not kill us while you're reviving me. Oh yeah, I'm back in action, baby!
And you're welcome.
Thank you, kind sir. So we are outside of the safe zone. If you hit the big touchpad, we want to make sure we're in that big circle. because if we're not in the big circle, then there is a storm that will kill us. So we should probably start running so we get into the safe zone.
All right, let's do it.
Can't believe I'm teaching you how to play and you had to revive me because I fell.
Yeah, well.
What are you going to do?
About right.
It just happens sometimes.
Yeah. So let me ask you, so if you're outside of the safe zone, does it instantly kill you or does it kill you slowly?
So you will see the storm slowly approaching. So you still have a chance to get to safety, but if you see the storm coming and it gets you... the storm has never killed me, but from what I understand, if the storm touches you, you're pretty much a goner immediately. If I'm wrong, put it in the comments of this video and correct me. But from what I understand, that's how it goes. And it shows at the bottom, like underneath. Oh, there's somebody. There's a person. There's a person.
There's somebody there. Oh boy.
Okay, be careful. Do you have a weapon?
No.
You probably shouldn't run towards them if you don't have a weapon. I've got a gun.
That's how you're supposed to do.
I've got a gun. I can, if I get a clear shot, I'll try to get him. Let's see here. I'm going to go for it. No, he's kind of far,
Shoot him in the face.
He's kind of far. Okay, I shot, and it didn't do anything. He's jumping. He might not have a weapon. Let's go. Let's run for it. Let's go after him. So you should chop. Oh, he does have a weapon, and I'm down.
Oh boy.
Oh, he's coming. Okay, I'm gonna come over to you. I'm gonna try to give you my gun. Oh no. Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh boy.
Did he get you too?
I'm dead too.
All right.
Yep, I'm dead.
All right, so yeah, that's how you play Fortnite.
Okay, so pretty much you run around, you chop down trees and wooden structures and bricks, and then somebody shoots you.
Yeah, that's exactly how it goes. But I mean, you might not be a huge fan of it yet. The first few times I played, I did horrible, and I did not think it was that good of a game. But then I gave it another shot, and once I learned like the mechanics of it and like the importance of building things, because you can protect yourself by building stuff around you. It's actually a pretty fun game, and I've grown to be a bit hooked on it, and I like it a lot. What are your thoughts on it after your first real time playing it?
Yeah, this definitely seems like a game where when you're good at it, it becomes a lot more fun. But I'm still trying to figure out, like, all right, I'm supposed to build forts while shooting people. It's like Minecraft meets Call of Duty. I'm just trying to figure out the whole thing.
Yeah, I'd say that's a really good description. Minecraft meets Call of Duty. That's a great way to say it. But yeah, I really like the game a lot. And I feel like even though you are shooting and killing people for the most part, it's not bloody or graphic or anything. The graphics are a bit cartoony looking, but it's a lot of fun, and I feel like it's not too violent to have your kids play too. And one of the main reasons I learned how to do the cross-platform play is so that me and my daughters can play. Like one can be on the PlayStation 4 and the other on the computer, and we could do duo couch co-op type play, if you will, because you can't do like split screen play currently. Maybe eventually they'll update it to where you can, but right now you can't do split screen to play two people on one console. So if you do multiple devices in the same room, it's kind of like doing couch co-op.
Yeah, I could definitely see how that would be fun, especially if it's you and your family playing, or if you and I keep playing a little bit more and we get better at it, or if I get better at it, I could definitely see me liking this game a lot more. So hopefully we will be able to get the time to play more together.
Oh, for sure. And there's solo mode, there's duo mode that we just did now, and then there's also squad mode where it's you're in a team of 4 people. So if you have three other friends, you could meet up with them and have a team of 4 people that you're friends with play the game, or you could still do squads with random people too, but it's definitely a lot more fun to play with friends of yours so you can communicate as you play. So yeah, this is the conclusion of Eddie and Webby play Fortnite.
I'm Eddie.
And this is Webby, not Eddie, signing off.